All right, buckle up, folks. Today we're talking about one of the most charming little beasts to ever roll out of Italy, the Fiat Abarth 750. I know, 750 sounds like the number of miles you've driven before realizing your car's gas light is on, but trust me, this tiny powerhouse is far from ordinary. It's more like a shot of Italian espresso. Small, powerful, and guaranteed to wake you up in a world full of boring rides. Ready to dive in? Don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming wild car talks. So hit that bell like it's your alarm clock on a Monday morning and let's get rolling. Now, let's talk specs. The Fiat Abarth 750 is a compact, sporty car that was made by Abarth & C, based in Turin, Italy, back in the 1950s. Abarth decided that the Fiat 600 needed a little extra muscle, so they slapped on a modified engine, a sleek new body, and voila, you had the Fiat Abarth 750. It was equipped with a 747 cubic centimeters cc engine that pumped out around 40 horsepower, about 29 kilowatts. That may not sound like much, but in a car that weighs as much as a bag of flour, around 585 kilogram or 1,290 pounds, it was a performance beast. The top speed was an impressive 80 miles per hour, 129 kilometers per hour. And trust me, that felt like breaking the sound barrier when you were hugging the road in this little speed demon. But wait, it gets better. Abarth wasn't content with just slapping a turbocharged engine on a Fiat 600. No, they went further. The Fiat Abarth 750 came in several variants, with some sporting body designs by the legendary Italian firm Zagato. Now, if you haven't heard of Zagato, they're known for creating some of the most beautiful and aerodynamic car bodies out there, and the 750 Zagato Double Bubble was the crown jewel. The bodywork was all aluminum, and the design had these iconic double bubbles on the roof. The 750 wasn't just a beauty, it was also a beast on the track. It was built for the Gran Turismo racing scene, where it absolutely dominated the smaller engine classes. Abarth's tuning magic made this tiny car a giant killer, often outperforming much larger, more powerful vehicles in races. In fact, some Fiat Abarth 750s were known to win more than 700 races worldwide. That's like being the underdog in every movie, but still coming out on top in the end. Pricing? Well, back in 1958, the Fiat Abarth 750 Zagato Spider sold for 1,035,000 Italian lira, which was about $2,456 United States dollars. Now, if you're like me, you're wondering what that translates to today. Let's just say it's a little more than what you'd pay for your average car today, unless you're looking at one of those custom electric scooters, in which case, good luck. Adjusted for inflation, that 1958 price would be around $25,000 USD today. And let's talk about auctions. These little rockets have become highly collectible. A well-restored example has fetched as much as $160,920 USD, with others regularly selling for over $100,000 US. Not bad for a car that originally cost less than a decent wristwatch today. The Fiat Abarth 750 was eventually overshadowed by larger Abarth models, but it remains a classic example of Italian engineering brilliance. It was small, fast, and had style. Three things that don't always come together, but when they do, it's magical. Thanks for hanging out, folks. I'll catch you next time. Same place, different car.